Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the episode 2 of College Move-in Diaries. So today we are also going for shopping again because many of the item I haven't bought yet. Today I'll buy them and I'll pack them also. This is my look for today. I'm ready. Now my mom will get ready and then we'll straight up go to market, buy some items.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction.
Hi guys, ये हो रही है मेरी पैकिंग की तैयारी. हाँ लगाओ. रुको.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our.
This is the total packing which I have done till now. These are the basic things. Like अभी तो बहुत सारा कुछ करना है, but still कपड़े मेरे इतने हो गए हैं. And those are basic amenities.